The new Worth Universal Utility Knife with auto load mechanism, article number 0715-66016. Just a couple unique features we would like to point out. First off is the compartment that holds 10 replaceable blades. It also comes with 10 blades when you purchase the knife. When closing the compartment, make sure you pull up on the mechanism to let it close and latch securely. And the auto change feature, when your blade gets dull, press on the red button. It will discharge the old blade. Take the old blade, flip it over, and put it into the chamber because you've only used one half of the blade. Put it into the chamber, pull back on the mechanism, and push forward, and you automatically load your new blade.